This is Karan Kumar. Today I am discussing on word count program in Hadoop. The debugging or common errors, what the errors here occurred in the execution process of Hadoop. So, what the errors and how to solve the errors in that demo demonstration on this demo. The first of all, I'm going to my code. So this is the word count.java. So in this code, the package is the keyword. Some of the people will write the pack. So not a package. It is one of the mistakes. So write pack and save it and execute it. This is my terminal. This is my path. So in this path, compilation process is the two ways on the with package or without package. With package gives the minus D. So otherwise you create in a folder, create in one folders and place it into the source files. Then Java C space java.java. It is the one method. Another one is the you not create any folders directly create by the compiler. That is the best way to the best method to create packages. So minus D. D means directories. Can create it on the terminal by the using the Java C compiler. So it is another method. The first of all, I am giving this class path. Its class path contains so many jar files are there. So your code contains so many importing packages are there. So each package is represents one class. So some of the class configuration, these class paths are given to the word count program. So you cannot give any path. So in this path is the two ways. One path is creating by the environment variable. Another one path is temporary path. It is the temporary path. So environment path is this is your user only you can utilize. That way there is a temporary path is useful for that. So this is the command gives the enter. Then you create the class interface or enum expected. So pack is not a word. Pack is not a valid word, valid keyword. So it is one of the common mistakes in that the first line you can give the mistake. So pack case is the keyword. So please save it and once again please compile it. So sorry, once again I am giving the another error is called a double K. So remove that one. Space, save it. So successfully compiled without errors, without warnings. You can give. So successfully error. It is one of the common mistake in the code. So remaining are the some of the common mistakes. In case any syntax errors, you can give the compiler gives that. But logical errors are not giving to the compiler. So that is the problem. So please when you are write the code, so please write the without spelling mistakes. So please write the code to eliminate the errors. This is one of the error. So next one is path. Is the it contains actually your Java programming is running Java C space file name.java gives the compilation. It gives the dot class file. Then you compile it Java space class name file, class name. Then it gives the output for execution. But in this process, you cannot give the one file. You can give this more than one class files. You can generate it. The first of all, you can go to com dot. Sorry. So which package name is once again? Please check it. com.hadoop.classes, right? It is. So com, the Hadoop, the classes. These are the classes. So more than one class file you can gives it. Which class files it gives? So these are the interrelated. That was the problem. So the interrelated programs are executing in the same path. It is difficult to that, but you can manage by the jar files. You can jar like in a container. It container gives the these three class files into one file that gives the execution is very flexible. That way there is you can give, you can create the jar file, but you can, it is in a command line tool is called jar space minus cvf. It is create a jar file, but what you want, which name you use, you can give your choice. By I'm giving the wc dot jar word count dot jar. So I'm giving that. You can want any name, you can use that, but dot jar is the mandatory. So you can give the two. You can give the inputs. So the first part is the jar, the command line tool. Minus cvfs means C for creating the file. V means verbose. You can see the what you are doing in that particular process on the terminal. The file which you are creating file. So dot jar is the file, not in a folder. So minus cvf is the explanation. Wc dot jar. So this is the which name you want to create a jar file, that is called the wc dot jar. Then wc dot jar, the creating the jar file, which is the inputs you can give. So the dot text files, dot java files, dot mp4 files, whatever maybe you can use that, but you can create a one jar file, is an archive file. So I am giving to the dot star dot class. So actually I am in the which location is take another terminal, the same location I give the another terminal. So pwd is my command to give the command line argument. So gives the present working directory. So these are the two same present working directories. So but your dot class files where you look at it. So the in this word count class files are not there in that particular home slash Hadoop. So this is the location it contains does not contains the dot class files. So first of all, it gives the which location your contains. So we can give the dot class files. You can generate with the available dot class files. So the front is your not a file, the front map is not file, the front address is not a file. So but your file is a word count programs. So another dot class files are adding into the jar files. So you cannot. It is not a proper file. So this wc dot jar file is not a valid for execution. So first of all, remove it. Then it gives the proper input location. Then you can create the correct jar file, right? So com slash Hadoop slash classes slash star dot jar. So you can use. So Hadoop slash classes word count dot class word count reducer word count mapper. So in this the class which you are which is the main method class that will gives you the execution process, right? So you can find out the which method is the perfect method, main method is contains that main method gives the execution. So in this class first, these are the common mistakes to compilation process. So please find out and rectify that problems so very easily. So right, thank you.